Is Ninjatrader good? Have you used Ninjatrader before? Share your Ninjatrader review in the comments section below. Ninjatrader is a platform widely recognized in the trading community, especially for futures and Forex trading. Here are some important insights and considerations for those looking to assess whether it's a good option. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Now that is out of the way, let's continue with our video. Interestingly, Ninjatrader offers one of the lowest commissions in the industry, with per-contract costs as low as 59 cents if you purchase a lifetime license. Moreover, Ninjatrader's margins for futures contracts can be as low as $50, making it highly accessible for small account traders. These low barriers to entry have made Ninjatrader a popular choice among day traders and scalpers who benefit from lower trading costs. Ninjatrader's platform is powerful and packed with advanced charting tools, simulation trading, and customizable technical indicators. Its standout feature is its compatibility with third-party applications and its Ninjatrader ecosystem, which allows traders to enhance their experience with various plugins and custom indicators. Ninjatrader also supports automated trading strategies, making it a strong option for those who want to implement algorithmic trading systems. These features, combined with low commissions and competitive margins, make Ninjatrader especially appealing to active traders and those focused on futures markets. However, the platform is not without its drawbacks. One of the most significant is its steep learning curve. While it offers extensive features for technical analysis, mastering Ninjatrader's interface can be challenging for beginners. Many users report that it takes time to set up the ideal dashboard and understand its vast array of functions. Educational resources such as webinars and video tutorials are available, but it still may not be the most intuitive platform for newcomers to trading. Another limitation is that Ninjatrader lacks a native mobile app, which can be inconvenient for traders who need to monitor markets or execute trades on the go. Ninjatrader's free version provides essential tools like charting and simulated trading, but more advanced features, such as its semi-automated trade management and order flow analytics, require a paid license. You can either lease the software for around $99 per month or purchase a lifetime license for approximately $499. While the upfront cost of the lifetime license may seem high, it can ultimately save money in the long run for active traders who use the platform extensively. Another aspect that makes Ninjatrader appealing is its support for multiple brokers, such as Interactive Brokers and TD Ameritrade, allowing traders to use Ninjatrader's advanced charting and analysis tools even if they don't directly trade through Ninjatrader's brokerage. This flexibility is especially useful for traders who may want access to a broader range of assets, like stocks and options, which are not the main focus of Ninjatrader's brokerage services. In conclusion, Ninjatrader is an excellent platform for experienced traders who are comfortable with its complexity and looking for a powerful tool that offers low fees and deep customization. However, it may not be the best choice for beginners due to its steep learning curve and lack of mobile trading support. If you are serious about trading futures or Forex and are willing to invest time in mastering its features, Ninjatrader can be an extremely valuable tool. However, those in search of a more straightforward platform may want to consider other options.